What's up, y'all? It's your girl, the Urban Lock Queen, and I'm back again with another video. So in my last video, I told you guys that I started a business recently, and basically I showed you guys my new inventory and what I have on my site right now. I told you guys my business name. I showed you guys my business cards. So today for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I ship my orders. So let me take you guys over here. All right, so basically what I do is I print out each invoice for each, yes, this is my own lip gloss. This is in the shade Brown Sugar. It has like a, kind of like a brown shade, but you kind of can't tell because my lips are brown, so, but it's so cute though. But yeah, so back to the video. What I do is I print out all of the invoices for the orders that I'm going to be shipping out for the day. And I just, I basically, let me show you guys. I set them up like this. So these are the invoices, and then it has pictures of what they ordered. So it makes it really easy to put out what they ordered. So this customer, they ordered 2 lip glosses. One in the shade Purple Nile, and in the other one in the shade Cranberry. And then of course they get a free lip scrub. So basically I do that for all of the orders, and I lay them out like this so I do not make any mistakes, so I can see everything that I'm doing. So I did that already, and I have them set up. So the next thing that you want to do, all right, y'all, so the next thing that you want to do, you want to pull up your PayPal account, and then you want to go into the activities portion of it. You're going to click that, and basically it's going to show you, all right, so you're going to go to your activities right here, and then it'll show you all the transactions that you've made, and then you'll come right here and it says print shipping label. I just have one that came through PayPal, and then the other ones I will show you how I have to ship those. Alright, so it's gonna pull up this one, and basically you will pick the carrier that you go through. I go through USPS. I pick first class package, and then it's a package / thick envelope, and I already know how much it's gonna weigh by the amount of items that I put in there. So I already know it's gonna be 2 ounces. It's a little bit less than 2 ounces, but I like to round up. So you put that in, and then everything is everything, and then you go to calculate shipping costs. So it comes up like that, and then it shows you how much the shipping label is going to be, and then you press confirm and pay, and then it'll come right out of your PayPal balance, unless you want for it to come out of your actual bank account, which I don't. I always have it come out of my PayPal balance. So yeah, so this is, I'm trying not to show the customer's address and stuff like that. So yeah, so this page will pop up next, and then it will have you print out the, all right, y'all, so if y'all hear something in the background like a TV or somebody coughing or somebody making noise, those are my kids. You can kind of see them back there. You know, it's morning time, cartoon time. It's Saturday morning, and we're trying to get things done. Okay, so now that we created that label on PayPal, we're gonna go ahead, and what I like to do is I don't print everything out right away. I like to save everything, and then once everything is saved, like all the labels are saved, I'll print everything out at once. So I'm going to go ahead and save this label, and then I will show you how I go onto my third-party website for people that pay with through Wix payments, because I do have my website through Wix. So I have 2 ways of paying. You can either pay through PayPal, and if you don't have PayPal, you can use any major credit card or debit card on the website and pay through Wix payments. So those transactions, they don't show up in PayPal, of course, because you did not pay through PayPal. All right, so let me show you guys. So I use this website called Shippo, and basically with Shippo, you can connect your website and all of your orders will show up right here. All of your orders will show up right here, and basically it says couldn't generate rates because basically you have to put in the dimensions and the dimensions and the weight of the package. So so we are going to go, we already did one on there, so we'll just go to this one. So you're gonna press edit, and then this shows up right here. It says we need more information to show rates. So basically, I don't want to show the customer's information, so you are going to go right here. It says package info. You need to put in, so it says custom dimensions. I'm just going to put the dimensions of my bubble mailers, which is 4x6, and then I'll just put 1 in height. And then we are measuring in ounces, so this is going to be 3 ounces because they have 3 items in their package. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it. So that's that, and then the rates will show up. So of course I use USPS first class package, and then it shows you how much it costs, and then you just go ahead and press buy, and then that will show up, and then you can go ahead and press purchase 1 label. Alright, so it says 1 label has been purchased. So from this website you do have to download it. You cannot just print it from the website. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press download label. I'm just gonna go ahead and save it, and then I'm gonna do that with all the other packages, and then I will come back and show you how I package up my packages. All right, y'all, so I'm back and I printed out all the labels. I do want to show you guys the labels that I use. I use these from the Avery company. I got them at Smart and Final. They were a little bit pricey. You can find these on Amazon for a lot cheaper. I think I got these for like $18, and it comes with 50 labels. I know they do have something on Amazon where you can get 200 labels. I'm not sure what the price is, but if I can find it, then I will link it below in the description box, okay? So these are the labels that I use. Basically, you just put them in your printer like regular paper. It comes with 2 labels on each sheet. So you can print 2 labels like I did on here. Right here, it just comes, both these labels look different because they're from different websites. So this is the PayPal label, and then this is the Shippo label that I told you guys about. So yeah, these are the labels that I use. All right, so I'm going to come back over here and show you guys all of these orders. They will get a business card with each of them. I like to just lay everything out. So this is everything that will be inside their package along with their invoice sheet, okay? So let me just set you guys up. All right, so this is the first one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open my little baggie up. And I'm going to put everything inside of here. I don't have thank you cards yet, but I will get some. I have to actually like put these in a certain type of way because it's crazy. And then I just, boom. And so then I will just fold up their invoice. Now open up my bubble mailer. Make sure that the address is not showing. And then I'll stick their items right inside. These are pretty small even for the small items that I am shipping. So I'm definitely going to have to invest in some bigger bubble mailers. Like I said, if you hear anything in the background, like kids playing, those are my children, and they are watching TV and playing around together. So, and then I will put their invoice right inside of here. And then that's an order. So since I have 2 shipping labels on one paper, what I do is I cut out just the square part of the shipping label, and I'll show you guys how I do. So basically right now I'm just gonna be cutting out the square part of the label. And I do have 4 orders down here, but one is a local order that I would just be dropping off to the customer. That's why I did not print out 4 labels. Alright, so this is the customer shipping label right here. And so everything's packed up in here. So we're just gonna close it on up. These are sticky. I've had customers tell me like, wow, these really stick together. And then we will just stick that right on the front. The labels that I have are the sticky labels, so it just sticks right on there. And then what I do, I have these stickers that I made right here at home. This is another Avery product. They have where you can you know, input whatever template of stickers or business cards or labels, whatever you have, you can design it right there on Avery, and then you can, the template comes up and you can print it, and it prints perfectly right on the stickers. So what I do is I take one of these stickers and I put it right on the back. Basically it just, well, that got on there kind of ugly, but basically it just has my company name, our website, and our Instagram, and that one is all good to go. So after you pack everything up, I come over here back to my computer. All right, so after I pack up everything, I come back over to my website, and then basically I will go to the customer's order, and then what you do is say add tracking number. So you select the carrier that you use. I use USPS, and then so it has to where you check it to, you send a shipping confirmation email automatically, and then it says apply to all fulfilled items in this order. Basically, if a customer orders more than one thing, then that's what pops up. So so you will add the tracking number that came right onto the label right there, and I'm going to do that right now. So the tracking number is pretty long, and I do like to, sorry y'all, the tracking number is pretty long, and I do like to double check that I just entered the number correctly, because, excuse me, that is the tracking number that they will see in the confirmation email that they receive as soon as I press this button. All right, so it says you added a tracking number and sent a confirmation email to the customer. So basically on Wix, once you add the tracking number to the order, it automatically says fulfilled as the status. And I love that about Wix. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do all of that for the rest of the orders, and then I will come back and end the video. Alright y'all, so all of my orders are packed up and ready for the post office. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I I do enjoy making these videos about my business and the journey, this entrepreneurship journey that I'm on right now. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and definitely subscribe to my channel. It's your girl, the Urban Lock Queen.